Guys, we're here today. We just got off work. Garrett Wayne's over here to help me. We're gonna take these tires off and wash them up. Got to mount 2 new rear tires and groove and grind them. Almost got me. Got the car already washed up this week. Plans are hopefully this week to make it to Hattiesburg Friday night, and then possibly Outlaw Saturday if weather cooperates. But we're gonna get to work. Y'all follow along.
Yeah, we're always waiting to see what the R word's gonna do.
We fixing to unmount these tires right here and get us 2 more mounted up so we can groove and grind them, prep them up, get them ready to go for this weekend if we race. But we got the other tires washed, cleaned up. I got y'all another first, for me anyways. So I wasn't really paying attention, and well, I went to mount these tires up, and I always like to put my white letters out because it looks good. Well, I seen a white letter there. There is none down there. That's a half white American Racer. But wait, there's more. I'm telling you, son, this is gonna be the winning tire. It's gonna do it right here.
I was about to say, no, I think that paint white marker. White paint marker to it, but last time we did that, it didn't work out well. We did that with zip tie. I still think we need a white zip tie.
All right. On to another topic. Me and Garrett's been texting little Dale, right? We told him we're at the shop, getting tires ready for next week. And
Told him
he said, don't worry, guys. I found out the secret. He said, I bought me some tire dope last week. And he said, it's the good stuff. I said, yeah, me too. So we went out here. I just washed the tires so it was good and wet. Well, you can kind of see it here. So I acted like I was rubbing this liquid on the tires. So it's still kind of wet in the water. And I wrote on the back, money moves 100%. Well, what he don't know is we was just messing with it. We ain't rubbing nothing on him. So now we got little Dale thinking we're doping tires. We're gonna let him think that until he watches the video.
Alright, so we're prepping tires right now. We're about to put y'all on time lapse, and we'll catch y'all here in a minute.
Sit. All right, what we got going on there, Mr. Garrett?
Well, we got to change the oil and set everything back up the way we had it before we went to Limelight.
Well, we got some good entertainment. Projector up. Well, this is Super Late Models 22,000 wins at Atomic Speedway. But anyways, all right, it is now Thursday evening. We finished up last night, put the tires up, and went on to bed. We had to work today, but we're fixing to go ahead and change the oil, change a few things back, and then load everything up in the trailer and get ready to go, so we can possibly go to Hattiesburg tomorrow night.
Yeah, we learned the hard way not to stay up too late working on race cars anymore.
Rest of it in there. Alright, I'm fixing to change the oil here. Alright, so we got the oil changed. We put a new filter on. Fixing to change a few little things, and then we're gonna load it up. Right now we are fixing to watch the feature show of the late models at Atomic. So I'm getting the car ready. There's Garrett. Alright, so Devin Moran won that race, and that was a show enough. That was a race. It got pretty close there, and Davenport looked like he was gonna pull it off, but caution come out as he made the pass for the lead. Killed his momentum, but we're supposed to get back, throw these tires on here, and load this thing up and get ready to go. So. Ace, tell them we appreciate them watching. Alright, so it's Thursday, like I said. Tomorrow night we're gonna try Hattiesburg. It's supposed to rain. If it don't rain, that's where we'll be. We got the car loaded up. We're gonna try Hattiesburg and probably Outlaw Saturday, just because we ain't got nothing else to do. But we appreciate y'all watching. Y'all like, subscribe, and we'll catch y'all later. Garrett's playing with the dog. All right, later.